In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to lock your Facebook with Face ID or passcode. Locking your Facebook app with Face ID or a passcode on an iPhone is crucial for maintaining privacy and security. It protects your personal messages, photos, and videos from unauthorized access, ensuring that only you can view your content. To do this, simply hold onto your Facebook application. You will see this option of Require Face ID. You can either choose to only enable Face ID or enable it and also hide the Facebook application. Select on Require Face ID and it will automatically get enabled. Once you open your Facebook, you will first have to enter Face ID to get access. This added layer of security is particularly important if your phone is lost or borrowed by others, as it prevents potential misuse of sensitive information. To remove it, simply hold and select Don't Require Face ID. That's how easy it is to enable Face ID on your Facebook application. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.